Step 1. Skin preparation. Cleanse your face with a gentle cleanser to remove impurities and ensure clean skin. Apply a lightweight moisturizer to keep your skin hydrated and smooth. Step 2. Base and correction. Use a light coverage foundation or BB cream to even out your skin tone without completely covering it. Apply concealer to areas with imperfections like dark circles or small blemishes. Step 3. Eye makeup. Apply a matte neutral eyeshadow all over the eyelids to add depth. Optionally, use a brown or black eyeliner to define the eyes naturally. Apply mascara to the upper and lower lashes to enhance the look. Step 4. Eyebrows. Fill in your eyebrows lightly with a pencil or powder to shape and define them naturally. Step 5. Blush and bronzer. Apply blush on the apples of your cheeks for a healthy flush of color. Optionally, use bronzer on areas where the sun naturally hits your face, like the temples and forehead. Step 6. Lips. Apply a moisturizing lip balm to keep your lips soft. Step 7. Setting. Spray a setting spray to ensure your makeup lasts all day.